ARB price today is 1.8287, and the same way Arbitrum of initially priced may reach a maximum of $3.92 by the end of 2024, but with a potential surge, ARB price may go as high as $11.59 by the end of 2030. Launched in August 2021 with its initial seed funding round in January 2021, where it raised $3.8 million and then $20 million in Series A. Arbitrum today has been one of the top trending cryptos in the industry. And on March 16th, 2023, Arbitrum announced their highly anticipated airdrop of ARB. And the token will be airdropped to early users and DAOs building on Arbitrum, with 12.75% of the total supply to be distributed. Following its airdrop, the token has experienced a major plunge in its value. Will Arbitrum regain its strength in the market anytime soon, or will it continue to be trapped in the bearish trend? Buckle up as we decode the possible Arbitrum price prediction for 2024 and the years to come. And the Arbitrum price started the year on a positive note by adding significant value to its portfolio within the first few days. After facing rejection at 2.09666, the ARB token started trading under a bearish influence and lost a majority of its gains from the pump. Following this, the price traded between 1 and 67.43 and 1.8075 for a short period, after which the bulls regained momentum and recorded a jump of over 40% in valuation. Arbitrum token then traded sideways for a while, indicating a cool-off in the price action. As the market volatility grew, the token was hit by a fresh bearish wave, resulting in it facing a correction of over 34% in value. After testing its crucial support level of 1.5567, the bulls regained momentum and successfully broke out of their resistance level. Since then, the price has been trading in a consolidated range between 1.6743 and 1.9698, highlighting weak buying and selling pressure for the coin in the market. The technical indicator MACD displays a descending trend in the histogram, indicating reduced buying pressure in the market. Further, the averages show a steady rise, suggesting a bullish influence in the crypto space. If the market holds the price above the support level of $1.8075, the bulls will regain momentum and prepare to test its upper resistance level of $2.966 this month. The effect that you have never seen by the difference courses the bull leaders in paces with the difference and the difference consistence. Once is trend, to lose a pen is some sort of global recognition and adoption could help ARB prices reach greater heights. If this were to happen, the altcoin could push to its annual high of $3.92. If the token misses the trust of the investors and gets stuck in a bearish trend, and it could face a serious backlash, and the price could go as low as 208 cents. And so considering the bear and bull power per the current trend, the ARB price would average $3. According to forecast prices and technical analysis, ARB's price is projected to reach a minimum of $2.82 in 2025. The maximum price could hit $5.01 with an average trading price of around $3.91. According to forecast prices and technical analysis, Arbitrum's price is projected to reach a minimum of $3.79 in 2026. A maximum price could hit $5.86 with an average trading price of around $4.82. Looking forward to 2027, ARB's price is expected to reach a low of $4.94 with a high of $7.19 and an average forecast price of $6.06. In 2028, the price of a single Arbitrum is anticipated to reach a minimum of $6.19 with a maximum of $8.62 and an average price of $7.40. In the last service video, and essentially it's a signed civilian resources at 83 cents. Many of user may depends on military and NAP 6 times do not fix thing, is that the new conversation is demands for months. In 2030, Arbitrum is predicted to touch its lowest price at $9.15, hitting a high of $11.59 and an average price of $10.37. We have made a table that includes the possible price prediction for the same token made by other crypto analysts on their respective platforms. The targets mentioned above are so on, and when they were the average targets set by the respective firms. Arbitrum derives its security from the Ethereum network, which provides consensus and finality for Arbitrum transactions. In other words, Ethereum guarantees the validity of the transaction for Arbitrum. And Arbitrum executes transactions on the rollup outside of Ethereum and bundles multiple transactions in a batch before submitting it to the mainnet. The off-chain transactions are assumed to be valid and no proof of validity is submitted. In a dispute, there is a time period after the rollup is submitted where anyone can challenge the transaction by submitting a fraud proof. Do you also want to understand the primary language of crypto and pro-crypto traders? Here is a guide for you to understand what cryptocurrency is. And Arbitrum is an Ethereum layer 2 scaling solution. Its goal is to improve speed, scalability, and cost efficiency on Ethereum. Arbitrum uses the security and compatibility of Ethereum. Another benefit is the higher throughput and lower fees compared to Ethereum. That's possible thanks to moving most of the computation and storage load off-chain. Arbitrum's native token is called ARB and is used for governance. Off-chain Labs, the developers behind Arbitrum, announced the shift to a decentralized autonomous organization structure. ARB holders can also vote on proposals that affect the features, protocol upgrades, funds allocation, and election of a security council. And Coinpedia has dedicated a team of expert analysts to cover the possible crypto price prediction and sum it all up in one place just for you. Arbitrum was developed by Off-Chain Labs, a blockchain research and development company founded in 2018 by Ed Felton, Stephen Goldfeeder, and Harry Kolodner. ARB can be purchased directly from Binance using a debit or a credit card. ARB can also be traded for other cryptocurrencies on the Binance exchange. Arbitrum is poised to become the future of decentralized computing as it offers a solution to some of the biggest challenges facing Ethereum and other blockchain networks. As trending crypto in the market, ARB is undoubtedly one of the best cryptos to buy for 10x gains, but you will have to wait a long time as that much of its potential is already priced in. And Arbitrum relies on Ethereum's layer 1 security, making it a secure network with less expensive gas fees. Arbitrum is trading at 1.7253 and needs to rise 5,682.69% in the next bull run to reach the 100 milestone. The price of ARB might surge to a maximum of $3.92 by the end of 2024. According to our Arbitrum price prediction, the price could reach a maximum of $5.01 by the end of 2025. ARB is expected to cross the $11 mark with a chance to see with post players from outgoing over 6% conditions. At the time of publishing, the price of one ARB token was 1.8343